Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and I have created this black smoky eye with a little bit of glitter on top of it, and if you are interested then keep on watching.
Hey guys, so I'm using any wet wiper tissue just to wipe off any excess oil on the face. Moving on with a moisturizer, here I'm using the Himalaya Anti-wrinkle cream just to spread evenly on my face, making sure there are no dry patches. Going ahead with PAC primer on the open pores, majorly in the center of your face, and then moving ahead with the MAC Prep+Prime just to give that extra shine once the foundation sits in. Here I'm using the Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation in the shade 08, which is pure olive, just dabbing it all over the face in small dots so that I do not use excess product, and then going ahead and blending everything out. So while blending, make sure that you are just dabbing the product and not dragging it, because dragging the product creates a lot of mess on the face and the foundation does not sit well. So you just have to dab. Going ahead with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the inner corners of my eyes. Make sure you put it in the inner corner as I am doing it, because that point needs to be highlighted. If it is dark, then the entire eye look goes for a toss. Then on the bridge of the nose, in center of the mouth, around the nose, around the mouth. And then I'm just taking a concealer brush and brushing that out evenly. Again, similarly here I am not going to drag it, I'm just going to dab it softer so that the product does not move. If you can use a concealer to cover up any of the dark circles, I am not going and covering it heavily, just a little bit of it, so that my under eye or the face just brightens up. Next, moving on with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This one acts as a highlighter, which is a little one shade lighter one, so that any kind of grayness gets erased by this. Similarly, going ahead, as you can see, dabbing motion, I'm using my concealer brush in the highest points. So bridge of the nose, on the forehead, around the mouth, just a little bit under the eye, so that when the light flashes and it does not turn dark. Dab, 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 dab. Just go on and on. Similarly, just going and covering up my lids as well, so that the next step is easier, which is moving ahead with a eyeshadow. Here I'm using the Bharat&Dorris loose powder. You can use any loose powder and just cover it up. Going ahead with the eyebrows, I'm using the Miss Claire in the shade dark brown. Just brush your eyebrows so that they are in their natural shape, and then go ahead and fill in the places where it needs to be filled, and then just brush them wherever you need to just put in the product. Just put that. I like to keep my brows really thick as I have big eyes, so just love to keep it really. Moving on with for the eyes, I'm using the JacklynHill palette. I'm just using a softer shade first in the crease, and then a little bit inside I'm using a darker shade to give that effect. Make sure you do not use the darker shade in the crease. In the crease it has to be the transition shade, which is the blending shade, a little light brown, brownish shades, not any dark or black shades. So in this form you have to just create this look. Make sure you pick up less product, as less is more. Blend, blend, blend. So with a darker shade, going underneath the eye and making sure that it's all blended so that the eye looks more complete. Then adding on a little bit of highlighter on the brow bone. Not forgetting the blush. Just like to add a very little one around the nose as well. I'm using the Makeup Revolution highlighter here on the highest points, bridge of my nose, on my cheekbones, Cupid's bow. Going ahead, next step is the lips. I'm using the Anastasia lip palette. I love using lip palette because I love to customize my lip shade. Just taking a minute, done finishing with my lashes, and then adding a little bit of pigment in center, as you can see. Going ahead with that highlighter in the corners of my eye and filling my eyes with the white eyeliner just to open up my eyes and finishing it with the PAC Pore Primer Makeup Fixer. I hope you loved and enjoyed this look. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do follow me on Instagram for the latest updates on beauty, makeup and many more. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.